Hello there! Welcome back to Mickey Travels, and welcome back to another magical day. So I'm here at my hotel room in Animal Kingdom Lodge. What can I say? Animal Kingdom is my favorite park. Animal Kingdom Lodge is my favorite hotel. I'm not biased at all. Anywho, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to mobile order on your phone while you're at the parks. Now you may say, but how are you gonna mobile order at the parks when you're at the hotel? Did you know you can mobile order at the hotels as well? Yes, I know! And don't worry, the mobile ordering process is exactly the same here at the hotel as it is in the parks. So we're gonna do this together. A little trick, because I know there's been a couple days at this hotel that there are times where I'm like, I wish there was mobile ordering. Then I found out there was. Yeah, wish I used that sooner. So now I'm teaching you guys so you don't live my mistakes. All right, so first thing that's gonna happen, you're gonna pull up your Disney World app, and then you're gonna head over, press the three buttons on the bottom, and then you're gonna hit order food from there. And now from there, it's gonna actually know where you are, and it's going to select things that are closest to you. So for me, being at Animal Kingdom Lodge, the Mara is the closest thing that actually does mobile ordering, which is where I wanted to order from, so that's great. So I'm gonna click begin order. If you're at another park or something, you will have to scroll down a while to find the exact one that you're looking for. And if it doesn't show up at all, that means it's either closed down or they're not accepting any mobile orders at the moment. So just keep an eye out on that. So you see at the top, it'll tell you what time that they're roughly gonna be able to get you your food. So for me, it says 7:15 through 7:30. That's the time to arrive. And considering it's almost 7 around the time I'm ordering this, that's perfect timing for me. So I'm gonna scroll down, I'm gonna find what I want. I think I'm just gonna stick with the chicken strips. You know what, I just want a simple dinner tonight. I've been going nuts the last couple days, so I just want something simple. And come on, grub is grub. You know, I'm not gonna eat bugs or nothing, but come on, we're at Animal Kingdom Lodge. I gotta do a little bit of Lion King. All right, so you just click add to the food that you want. And then you could add a dessert, or if you wanted to get a refillable mug, in case you haven't already gotten one on your vacation, those are great. You get a refillable mug. You can go down to any quick service restaurant that's at your hotel, and you get unlimited refills for your entire trip. I already have one, so I'm gonna be bringing it with me when I go pick up food so I can get a drink while I'm there. So we're gonna view my order. The chicken strips, it's ready to go. So I'm going to review order summary. I'm gonna make it to go so that I can just bring it here and eat. I don't wanna eat there. And then we're gonna check out, and you're not gonna watch the screen for this part. All right, so with that, our order is done. I just gotta go over to the Mara and go pick it up. So it'll take me a little bit of time to get there, so I'm gonna go ahead and start heading over there now. All right, so I'm right outside the Mara now. So once you get there, you can turn on your app and you should see I'm here, prepare my order button. Go ahead and click that. And then from now, we'll just wait on the phone. And then once the order is ready, the phone will tell us where to go pick up the food. All right, and I just got word on the phone. I pick it up at the counter. My number is here, so I'm gonna go pick up my food. It's that simple. And with that, that's all you gotta do. Now with that, I've got me dinner to go eat. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And remember, next time you book your next Disney vacation, book it through Mickey Travels, the Disney exclusive Diamond Award winning travel agency, whose whole mission is to make sure you get the best and most magical Disney vacation possible with no additional costs. So with that, go check out Mickey Travels, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.